2015 Harley-Davidson Dyna Fat Bob. You remember the Dyna? Powered by a 45-degree, 103 cubic inch twin cam rubber mounted engine. That's 1690 cc's. Tommy gun style 2-into-1 into 2 slash cut. Python exhausts. That's about a 27-inch seat height, weighs a little over 700 pounds. Backrest, luggage rack, LED brake lights and tail lights, 2-up seat, adjustable shocks, belt final drive, chain primary, 5-gallon fuel tank is somewhere around 40 miles per gallon. You can see the ABS light flashing there. That goes off after you get to moving. Multifunction speedo. Has a clock, has 2 trip meters, a gear indicator, RPM indicator, and a range indicator. A little under 9,700 miles, 9,700 miles. Boomerang style drag handlebars. Detachable windshield. It's a 6-speed transmission. Seriously bright twin headlights there. 130 front tire, 180 rear tire. 29-degree fork angle. $99.99. $9,999. Power Motorsports, Sublimity, Oregon. Take it home for $99.99. See you soon.